This is our 2001 Toyota Camry, 265,000 miles. We have purchased this from a relative who really hadn't driven it in the last 2 years. We put it on a tow truck, brought it here. It's going to be my daughter's first car. Now the issue is someone stole the catalytic converter years ago. We're working on getting this fixed up to be a safe daily driver. I have just completed a flex exhaust repair on the 3 foot of pipe that's missing from underneath the vehicle. This is not a permanent fix by any means, but I found almost nothing online that gave me confidence to step into what I was doing. So hopefully I can show you what I've just put together. You'll see the before and after, and just know this is not permanent, it's not professional. I almost bought a 6 foot section of this, but I couldn't find the correct size, and for whatever reason, the 6 foot sections at Advanced Auto Parts were made very, very cheap. I ended up buying all of this from O'Reilly's for 65 bucks. I have a 2-inch exhaust system, so on the intake and the discharge, I have a 2 to 1 3/4 reducer. And in the center, we have an 1 3/4 coupling. I went pretty liberal with this exhaust sealer. If you've never had to clamp this stuff down, just know it can be easily damaged, and you want even pressure applied to all of these parts. So make sure that when you're tightening down these U-bolts, you tighten down one side, then you move back and tighten down the other, and rotate back and forth till you're nice and snug. Unfortunately, this piece is shot. This old union is leaking. I'm gonna seal it up with some more of this exhaust sealer. But for now, we have something that is much less embarrassing to drive down the road, and we'll get it into a mechanic to fix this the right way.